Coming up today on Homemade Live, TV legend Kathie Lee Gifford is also in the house.
Why am I talking like Marilyn Monroe? I mean,
This is so trippy having you cook.
but it makes for great TV.
It's all coming up right now on Homemade Live. A little bit of a toast. Are you a sangria lover?
It depends.
Okay, well, let's see if we can get into it.
Yeah, I wish we'd started this way.
Well, this is really
It's
easy.
your show, so
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, here's a little white wine.
No,
Pour
it's Riesling.
Oh, yeah. Well, you don't have to use Riesling. Anything dry, pour it right in here.
Oh, here, we're making this.
Yeah.
Old habits die hard.
Yeah.
Oh, the whole bottle? The
whole bottle.
Okay.
And I do like a little 0-calorie, sugar substitute. This is nice because it just kind of brightens the whole thing. You could just go with like a teaspoon.
Okay.
Of this. Otherwise, it's so much sugar. So this is
Yeah,
nice.
we don't. Yeah.
Just a little bit, and then you just load it up with flavor. So you can put cucumber.
You
wanna
got
do
it.
this for
Yeah,
me?
sure.
This is beautiful. I think this is really nice.
I think we're extremely compatible. We haven't had a fight yet.
I love it. So I'm gonna put some strawberries, and then you just kind of
Yeah, but you're gonna put that part of it in?
stick it all in there.
No.
No, you're not into that?
That thing?
Yes.
No.
I'm a scrappy guy. Yeah.
I'm sloppy, but I'm not gross.
I love it. And then
Lots of lemon and lime.
lots of lemon, and then you just kind of stir it up.
Yeah.
You really want to mash it. And then the longer you can let this sit, the better.
I call it fermenting.
Okay, fair. Yeah. And then you pour this in.
Well,
and
he didn't wait long.
I love it. Kathie Lee, I'm so grateful that you are the best. You did the family episode because, again, you feel like family. Doesn't she feel like family? Like,
Thank you, everybody. I feel
you're
like
a gem. You're amazing. Cheers to Kathie Lee. Cheers to you guys, my own family sitting right here, my wife.
L'chaim.
Cheers to you guys at home. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
Oh, God bless you all. Shalom, shalom.